हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ISP सॉल्यूशंस। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं स्ट्रिंग मेथड्स के बारे में। अगर आप स्ट्रिंग्स पे काम कर रहे हो पाइथन में, तो ये कुछ मोस्टली यूज स्ट्रिंग मेथड्स हैं। जब भी आप स्ट्रिंग्स पे काम कर रहे हो, ये मेथड्स वो हैं जो आपके जनरली यूज होने ही होने हैं, जैसे कैपिटलाइज, लोअर, अपर, स्ट्रिप, रिप्लेस, स्प्लिट, ज्वाइन, स्टार्ट्स विद, एंड्स विद, फाइंड एंड काउंट। सो ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर दीज मेथड्स, क्योंकि ये मेथड्स वो मेथड्स हैं जो आप जनरली यूज करोगे जब भी आप प्रोग्रामिंग कर रहे हो विद स्ट्रिंग्स इन पाइथन। फर्स्ट इज कैपिटलाइज। व्हाट कैपिटलाइज डज? कैपिटलाइज जो है हमारी स्ट्रिंग के फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर को जो है कैपिटल में कन्वर्ट कर देता है, कैप्स में। सपोज इफ इट्स अ स्मॉल, इट्स इन अ लोअर केस, इट विल कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू अपर केस, only the first character of the string. And then we have this lower method. So what lower method will do, it will convert all the characters of the string into lower case. As you can see, this is the first string s, and this is the result after applying this lower method. All the characters are in lower case. Same, we have this upper method to convert all the characters in upper case. We use strip to remove the extra spaces in the string. As you can see here, we have some extra spaces in the left side and in the right side. So this strip method will remove all the spaces from the extra spaces from the left side as well as from the right side. Along with this strip, strip will do like strip क्या करेगा, लेफ्ट साइड और राइट साइड दोनों से एक्स्ट्रा स्पेसेस अगर हैं तो उन्हें रिमूव कर देगा। एल स्ट्रिप क्या करता है कि सिर्फ और सिर्फ रिमूव करता है लेफ्ट साइड से एक्स्ट्रा स्पेसेस। सेम वे वी हैव आर स्ट्रिप एज वेल। सो आर स्ट्रिप will remove extra spaces from the right side of the string. Then we have this method replace. So in replace method, we pass two words basically. One string which we have to replace, and the second one by which we have to replace the first string. So basically, we have to replace this string by this string. If you just see, this is our string text. Hello, this is maths class. Now we want to replace this maths class to Python lecture. We will just use replace method. Then we have split. So what split does, if we have any string and we want to split the words of that string on the basis of any separator, we can pass any separator like space or comma space, exclamation mark, dot. Whatever separator we want to pass, we can pass in this split method. So what it will do, it will just split the string in on the basis of the separator. If we are passing, see here we are passing comma space, then it will just split this string into two words. One is before this comma, and then on the basis of comma and space, when we splitted this string, we got two substrings, hello, and then this is Python lecture. As you can see, it's the result. Then we have join method to join multiple strings into a final string basically. In the split, we were passing the separator. Same way we use separator when we are joining the string. We can pass any separator here, space, comma, exclamation mark, dot, colon, whatever separator we want to use, we can pass here, and then dot join method, and here we pass the list of words or list of the tuple of words like that. Here also, if we have to join the numbers or if we have to join the numbers, we will first have to convert the numbers into a string, and then we can join those numbers. Using here we are joining these numbers with the help of comma and space separator. Then we have this method starts with. So starts with, just check whether whatever input or whatever string we are passing, substring, is our main string starting with this word or not. Start with and just opposite with ends with. Ends with, check whatever whatever word we are passing here is our main string is ending with this word or not. So starts with and ends with always written true or false. It just check whether our main string, suppose it's the text2, is starting with this hello or not, and this text2 is ending with this lecture dot or not. So it will return either true or false. Then we have this find method. Find method just check whether if we are passing any substring, suppose this, so whether this string is available in the main string or not. And if it is available, then at what index it's available. If we just see this, we have to check whether this keyword, this, is available in text or not. And what it will do, if we just see the indexing of this t from the indexing from where this word is starting, so just count. If you are learning Python, you know, like the indexing starts from 0, right? So 0, 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this is space 6, and from 7th indexing this word is starting, the word which we are passing to check in the main string. So here the find method will return the indexing of the word from where it's starting in the main string. Then we have this concatenate. This is just a plus, just to concatenate two string, and then we have this method count. So count just in the count, when we are passing any substring, it counts the number of occurrences of this substring in the main string. If we are passing only hi, then it will just check how many times this hi is coming in the main string. Here we are applying this count on this text array and we are passing hi. So if we just see, first is this is the first occurrence of hi, and then we have, okay, so here we have only one occurrence of hi. So that's why the answer is 1. It will return the number of occurrences of a given substring in the main string. Then this is just a built-in function length. It returns the length of the string, how many characters we have in the string. So this is about mostly used string methods, which you should always remember if you are making any program. Also, if you want to see some more methods, you can check out on this site, W3 Schools. So here you can find all the available methods of string. If you want to check, you can check, and I'll share the link of this notebook as well as this W3 Schools in the comment. You can check from there. So this is about the string methods. Now guys, if you have any doubts regarding the string methods, comment below in the comment section. And अगर आपके माइंड में कोई टॉपिक है जिसके ऊपर आपको वीडियो चाहिए, so please mention that topic as well in the comment section, and I'll make sure कि मैं उस टॉपिक पे as soon as possible एक वीडियो लेके आऊँ. So this is about today's video. We'll meet in another video. Also, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Till then, keep learning and bye bye.